Hello and welcome to another Mr. Watson YouTube video. If you'd like to see me go through another topic, then please comment down below. Also remember to check the video description for any additional information. In this video I'm going to be looking at a proof of Pythagoras' theorem. I've just shot a video looking at how you would use Pythagoras' theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. I've just shot a video where I've used it, and I thought it could be a good example to demonstrate a proof, so that you know where this comes from. Now the one I'm going to show you, I think is probably one of the most simple and straightforward. So if you have a right angle triangle which has these dimensions a, b and c, so that right there is the right angle, you can make a square out of this, and this is now where my square drawing skills aren't that fantastic. So you have these triangles here where that the length on the outside is c, that length there would be b, and this length here would be a, the whole length. That, I suppose that little part there would be b, but that whole length there would be a. So how would you work out then the all of this? Well, the whole square, the large square, would have an area of c squared, right? It's just c multiplied by c. So that's quite straightforward. Well, what about the triangles? Well, each triangle would be a half base times height. Now in this case that would be a half AB, so a half AB. Now we don't have just one triangle here, we have 4 triangles, so you would need to multiply that result there by 4, so 4 lots of a half AB, which would be 2AB. What about the square in the middle? Well, the square in the middle, so I'll just label that a small square, has the side a minus b, so the area of that is going to be squared. Now the whole square is c squared, and that's made up of the 4 triangles, which is 2ab, and the small square, which is a minus b squared. So hopefully there you're following that. If you've lost me at any point, just rewind the video and watch that part again. So now we need to expand this bracket out, which is 2ab plus a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. So this bracket multiplied out gives us that part. 2ab minus 2ab all cancels, and we are simply left with Pythagoras' theorem. A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. And that there I think is a very straightforward proof. I don't think anything there is too complicated. But yeah, feel free to go over that a couple of times if you need to, just to convince yourself that that is true. I'll put a link in the description below for the next video along, which is kind of strange because it's the video that I've just shot, so in my mind it's out of order. But yeah, check out the next video if you'd like to go through some examples of this, or maybe you're already familiar with Pythagoras' theorem and how to use it, but you just wanted to see where it comes from. Then just stop here. But thank you very much for watching.